serve the same purpose. Wash, wash, wash.
Let's use this for now. Let's reserve the GSF. The GSF.
Know, what if that melts the
Okay. All right, for your brother's car.
yeah. Let's not test it on them.
Okay, not this time. Hey guys, we have a barn find over here. It's a 1988. What is it? 620.
635.
635 CSI. If you come check out the engine bay,
Big boost.
it has a turbo on it, which they don't come turboed. This car does have some issues. We do need to troubleshoot, and I believe it's gonna have like a standalone ECU for it to work properly. But this is like another side project that we have inside the garage, but we're gonna clean it up for the show that's gonna happen this weekend. And we'll make a little quick edit of the wash process, you know, stay tuned. But yeah, tape the ends though, just in case. But the car has no voltage, bro. Nothing will happen though.
Yeah, I know. We watched this whole car with all the wires inside when we were rebuilding it. Just in case, bro. You know?
Yeah.
Yapmalıyız, bro.
Yapmalıyız, bro.
We have to do it. All right,
Okay,
boy, this
guys.
puppy's ready.
Bro, what would you do if I just sprayed you down, bro? Are you ready to go? Yeah. Ready to go? Okay, guys.
Why are you holding it like an AR?
Okay, guys.
You just pressed the trigger.
It just spasmed. Well, there's a kink in the hose, I think.
Did you turn the wash?
Yeah, turn the water on. My boy.
Look at this guy, bro. Dangerous.
Okay, guys.
So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the car with the pressure washer now. I hit all the wheels with the brush. So I'm washing the car. So I was washing the car, I started from the top. So that's usually how you wash the cars. I'm trying to not get it in the cracks and get it inside the vehicle.
You see this shit, guys? This is authentic. OEM BBS. It's the real shit, big dog.
This is best mechanic. This one.
No.
This one. Bro, how's the hood not touched? But that looks so weird right now.
Gravity.
Gravity, fellas.
Gravity.
Einstein. Tedious work.
Who drew that?
The best mechanic in the world. That's who. Is it recording? Is it recording? Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna finish setting up the shop, clean it up around, and we'll see you at the show.
That's it.
What are you doing?
Burnout. I don't want to like get the tires too hot. Yeah, we make it. Bro, go crazy. Okay, bro. I got you.
Everybody back, grab your insurance, everything. Mustangs is out.
Bro, that was.
Faster than my haircut. Did you see how fucking fast it took off?
Dude, that was scary. I was right behind. I was like, oh my god.
That shit is faster than my haircut, you know? I was in that car once.
That was scary.
Never ever again. Never again.